Right. So far, we already discussed about this Linux, GitHub, Maven, Tomcat, and Jenkins CI/CD also, and SonarCube also. Today, our new topic is Nexus, guys. Today, our new topic is Nexus. Okay. Today, our topic is Nexus, guys. Our topic is Nexus, guys. Okay. This what is this Nexus? See, Sonotype Nexus is a OSS. OSS means open source software. Guys. Open source software and Java based artifact repository. It is called as a Java based artifact repository. Why we are going to use this one? It can be store and retrieve your artifacts. Store and retrieve your artifacts when it's required. Artifacts are nothing but our packages, guys. Okay, our packages. In our packages, by using this Maven build tool, we are getting packages like var, jar, or year files like that. Okay, var or jar files like that. Okay, because we are using as a Java-based projects. That's what it is, a Nexus totally Java-based artifact. Okay, that's what I took it as a Nexus, guys. Okay. See, in this artifact array, we can store or retrieve this artifact. Artifact is nothing but what are the build we are done. Okay, by using Maven build tool, we are done that build. That means our source code we are going to be compiled, guys. We are going to be compiled. Okay, after compile or after build, we are getting this var or jar air files. Okay, that time what it will be happen, I need to store. Okay, I need to store somewhere. Okay, I can able to store these artifacts in GitHub also. Okay, but it is not a recommended way. It is a not a recommended way. Okay, that's what I'm going to be take as a Nexus artifact repository. And why I'm not going to be storing it? It is a source code management, guys. It is a source code management. Okay, it is a source management or version control system. Okay, if Nexus is a artifact repository, repository is nothing but I already told you it is like a one folder. Okay, in this folder, we are going to be store this var or jar or year files. Okay, see this Nexus company is Sonotype base. Nexus is a Sonotype. Okay, Sonotype is a company like see Apache Tomcat. Apache is a company, right? Okay, GitHub is a Microsoft. GitHub is a Microsoft. Maven is a also Apache. Apache Maven only, right? See like this, it is a Nexus is a Sonotype. SonarCube is a Sonar. Okay, Sonar, it will be Sonar, it will be there. Okay, both are same only Nexus. Okay, here if you can go for this day, every application there is a default port numbers are there, right? See for the same thing, Nexus default port number is 8081, guys. Nexus default port number is 8081. Sonotype is a company, guys. Sonotype is a company. See here how we are going to be taking as backups by using these releases and snapshots, guys. I already told you while discussing Maven. I will tell you later the what is this releases and snapshots, guys. Okay. See here, backups, how we are going to be taking as a, this Varajar file backups by using these releases and snapshots. Okay. See here, I'm going to be create as a releases one repository, snapshot is a one repository. Okay. In that, I'm going to be store my Varajar year files. How I'm going to be store? See, after build, I'm getting how I'm getting it say after build. If you can see, I'm getting as a package like my web is a my artifact, right? This is the release. Sorry, this is the release. Okay, 8.2.0. My release is 8.2.0. Okay, see if you can see here. You can see here there is a in this first column it is a major. Okay, it is a major release, guys. It is a major release. Another one is minor. Last one is bug fix or hard fix build, guys. If you can see here, see version ID, it will become 8.2.0. Then it is ready to release, guys. It is going to be released means ready to be released. Release in where? It is ready to release in production. It is ready to release in production. If you can hear, there is a build and release engineers will be there. Okay, it is a one of the designation. One of the designation. See, based on your client requirement, release will be available every month or every 3 months or every 1 year or 6 months. Also, it will be there. Or weekly twice also it will be available, guys. Weekly twice also it is available based on the your client requirements. Okay. See here, version ID comes like 8.2.0 completely, then it is ready to be released. If you can see this version ID 8.2.0 snapshot, that means it is still available under development stages. It is still available in under development stage. See, if you want to see this version ID, how it is going to be written, already written, developer is already written in form.xml file, yes, form.xml file. See here your version ID 8.2.0. Okay, your version ID 8.2.0. See, same like that, they will be written. See, where they are going to be written in form.xml, there is a distribution management will be there. Under distribution management, you are going to be add your snapshots and releases. Okay, here they are going to be, see here in nexus repo, I already told you there is a two types of repos is there. One is release repo, another one is snapshot repo. Okay, in that they are going to be add this snapshot. See, under development snapshot hyphen sample hyphen snapshot. See, I written only this one. Okay, if you want, you can able to change it. How to create this one also I will show you. Don't worry, while doing practical I will show you. Just keep it and remember. Okay, just keep it in mind. Like this, we are going to be, see, 8.2.1 under development stage. See, I'm going to be do now release, ready for release. Okay, I'm going to take this one only today. Okay, this is under development stage. It is going to be showing a iPhone snapshot, guys. iPhone snapshot means this under development stage. Okay, this form.xml file developer will be provided, guys, but you have to add your repositories in this form.xml file. That is DevOps engineer work only. Okay, that is DevOps engineer work only. Okay, how many they want to add means how many releases, those releases you are going to be add, and you are going to be remove those repositories like a release and snapshots. Okay, coming to see, here is why you are going to take backups. See, in I'm going to be first, I'm going to be in development stage, it is everything is good, but QA stage it is going to be failed. Again, UAT is good. Again, it is going to be failure. So whenever I'm going to take these backups, I'm going to be check what is the difference. It is why it is going to be development stage is success, QA environment is failure. So what are the configuration files? What are the file permissions? What are the dependencies? Why it is not going? Similarly, like I'm going to be check, is there any code smells, vulnerabilities? Code smells means double code, guys. Okay, vulnerability is nothing but security. Any bugs are there, then they are going to be checked and they are going to be fixed. Before fixing, they are going to be take as a backup of every environment, and they are going to be fixed. All the environments, it is going to be success only. Then only we are going to be deploy our application into production environments. Okay, this every build we are going to be taking as a backup. Okay, every build we are going to take as a backup in nexus repository. Yes, nexus repository. Okay, here if you can see what is the main requirements of nexus. See, I'm going to be take it as a two instances. Okay, here is for I'm going to take it as a one instance for nexus, another instance for Jenkins, guys. Okay, see here I'm going to take it as a T2 large or T2 extra large, because it is a minimum requirement of 2 CPUs, 4 GB RAM. T2 medium also you can take, there is no issue. But I'm going to be suggest you can take this one, T2 large, because we are going to be every environment you need to be take it as a backup. Okay, in real time, guys. Okay, but here you can take as a T2 medium, you can take it, that is enough. Okay, T2 medium you can take, there is no issue. Okay, this is a minimum requirement, guys. And we are going to be install Java, guys. We are going to be install Java. Okay, because we are using as a Java based project, And this nexus artifact is also Java based artifact repository only. Okay. So next, Nexus is a app. See, Nexus I'm taking it as a like as a one app. Okay. Then only I'm going to be run as a service, guys. Run as a service. So that's what in configuration files. See, all the configuration files will be stored in Linux/etc only. So how to do it? These things in practically I will show you guys. Don't worry. This is the thing only which is I written. This is the minimum requirement and this is the installation method. I will show you in practical and how to create these two repositories. One is releases, another one is snapshots also. Okay. Then another one is how to integrate. Okay. How to integrate also I written here. Okay. First, I'm going to be taking as a first. I already login. Yeah, I'm going to be logging the instances guys. First, I'm going to take it as a Jenkins. Okay. Ubuntu 24.4, 24.04. I'm taking as a T2 medium. I already have a PIM file. Okay. I'm taking as a all traffic, or else you can give it as a custom TCP, or else all TCP port also you can give. Okay, there is no issue. Okay. Launch. This is for Jenkins, guys. And the one I'm going to be launch for Nexus. We already done each and everything up to we already done. Git already, we already integrated, Maven also integrated, SonarQube also integrated, Tomkit also we have done, and deployment also we are already done, guys. I already showed you in earlier classes. Okay, now I'm going to be integrate this Nexus into Jenkins, guys. Okay, so project. See here, I'm going to take it as a Amazon Linux. Okay, I already told you, I will show you one server in Linux machine also. Okay, see here. I'm going to take it as a free tier only. Loading. T2 medium. Already taken this Nexus. All traffic only I am taking. Oh, now I want to install Jenkins, guys, first. Okay. See, I'm going to be taking this Jenkins. Connect. I'm connecting via web, guys. Okay. Jenkins, I already opened this Jenkins file. So I'm going to be take first install Java, guys. Install Java. I'm going to be take this. Clear screen. Yeah.
Deployment and development activities as part of the current project. Okay.
Sorry.
So now let's start
Hello.
with your introduction and then
Can you please mute? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. See, I'm going to be install this Java now. After Java installation, then I'm going to be taking this long-term support for Jenkins installation. It is all our official websites, guys. I didn't create anything here. Okay, just I went to official website and I'm going to be installing. You can also take from direct online only. Okay, so it is installing now Java. And same similar way, I'm going to be checking this nexus also. So I'm going to be connect nexus instance also. Going to be connect. Ready to start, no problem. So now I'm going to be install the Java also. So Jenkins. Sorry, going to take this long-term support. Okay. Jenkins copy. Clear the screen. Step into this. See, this is the Ubuntu only. That is Linux one only. That's what it is not taking. See here. Just take care, guys, while installing. Otherwise, it is throwing error like this. Okay. While I'm going to be taking this nexus till it is installing. To go to pass or not. No, it is passed less. See here. See here also I'm going to be enter sudo space su. See it is root only, it is clear. So now I want to install here Java. Okay. These are nexus, guys. Okay. I'm going to do first this one. I'm update. See, there is no packages and updates. See here I given as a M only. Okay. See there means in Ubuntu I'm going to give as a APT, guys. If red hat means RPM. Okay, red hat means RPM. It will be different packages when it is going to be installed based on the your servers, guys. Based on the your servers, Linux server, inside Linux server, there is a lot of flavors will be there like Red Hat RPM, CentOS, Debian, Ubuntu. Okay, so that it is installed or not? Yeah, it is installed. So I'm going to be enable the Jenkins, guys. Then I'm going to be start this Jenkins. Then I'm going to be check the status. Okay. See active up and running. Okay. Active up and running. 1 minute 54 minutes. Okay. For that, I'm going to be complete this one first. Copy the public IP, or else you can go and take it here also. Okay. So take it this. Here you can see public IP. Okay, public IP. What we copy here. Colon. What is the default port number of Jenkins? 8080. Here there is some problem in my browser. So before I am going to be checking here. You can also check, guys. There is no issue. You can also check if Jenkins will become or not. I will give you that URL also. Don't worry. So I'm going to be copy this one because I given as a all traffic. That means anybody can access my Jenkins server now. Okay. Where it is? Instance, Jenkins instance, cat space. See here. We copy this password and enter here admin shell password. Okay, administrator password. After that, I'm going to be create, guys. Don't worry. Okay. But now install suggested plugins. It is getting installing. Okay, it will be take 2 minutes. It's fast, good only. If your internet is good, it will be goes like this way, guys. Okay. If your internet is not good, it is very bad only. Okay. Just make sure that your internet is good connection and everything. Yeah, otherwise you will getting a errors. Okay. Save one. See, this is the URL of your Jenkins. See, I'm going to be paste it here. So check it will be open. You can also check it will be open from your browser also. Okay. Save and continue. Start using Jenkins. This is a Jenkins. So now I want to integrate. See, now I want to integrate Maven. Okay. Git already, it is defaultly, it is already available. Okay. So this is the agent. Now I did not take any agent, guys. Okay. That's what I'm going to be dismiss this one. First, I'm going to be plugins. Another one is tools. Yeah, available plugins. First one is Maven, guys. Maven integration, right? See, pipeline. Pipeline. See here. See now, nexus. I need to upload the artifactories, guys. See here, nexus. I will type. Sorry. Nexus. Nexus artifact uploader. If you can see here, Nexus artifact uploader. I'm going to be install without restart. It is installing. Okay. Up to now, I'm going to be add this Maven also. Maven 3. Apply and save. This also the installation has been completed. So I want to take new pipeline Nexus. Okay. Before that, I want to install Nexus server also, right? Go to here. See now Jenkins is successfully done, guys. Okay. I'm going to be close this one. This is the Nexus official website. See, I'm going to be I already opened. Again, for your purpose, I'm going to be show you. Google. Just Nexus down. Nexus download. Like a Tomcat only, guys. How we went to Tomcat and download? Same similar way. But here they're given as some update, guys. If you can see, after 3.71.0 includes multiple breaking changes. Okay, multiple changes. Beyond that, do not support the oriented GB, oriented DB and Java 8 and Java 11. These softwares are not supported to this 3.71.0, guys. 3.71.0. So I want to install Java 17 only. I want to install Java 17 only. Okay. See here, I will go to this Nexus server. See here, I'm going to be taking as a. See, earlier it is working 1.8 or Java 8, Java 11, it will be working. But after 3.71, they are given as a breaking changes in official website itself only. Okay. So I'm going to be take this Java 17. Now I'm going to be install this. See here. After Java installation, it is a third-party software. Third-party software where we are going to be install /opt only. I already told you why Linux time, file system and hierarchy system time, guys. That's what it is very important. Okay. /opt. I went to /opt. See, I'm getting from online. That's what wget command I used here. So I want to install. See, go and copy the link address. Copy the link address. So here I'm going to be click here. See, now it is getting downloaded. See here, it is downloaded. See, it is a tar file. So I want to do untar. Here tar hyphen xv. I want to unzip. Okay. Forcefully. Okay. Nexus. See, it is untarring now. Same steps only I written here, guys. I will share you. Don't worry. Okay. See here, it is untar or not. See, it is a untar. Guys. See, now I want to change the full name. See, here it is a Nexus 3.72.0 like that it is coming, right? But it is a some of the clumsiness of these numbers. Okay, so that I want to change that and folder name, or else you can keep it same only if you wish. But I want to some confusion, so avoid that confusion. I'm going to be change the folder name. How to change that repository or directory name? By using this move, old name versus new name Nexus. See if you can see this name has been changed. See here is only user level read write execution permissions are there. So now I want to change the permissions. Ch mode in group level, other level I given as a full permissions. Sorry, user level and group level I given as a full permissions. Other level I given as a read and execution only. Nobody need to be write. Nexus. If you can see this Nexus. Another one is sonotype. Another one is sonotype 1. See, inside this Nexus only, there is a important directories will be there. See, in Tomcat, we have to start Tomcat where we went /bin directory, right? Same similar like that. We have a same in Nexus also. See here, I went to this Nexus. See here, bin directory /etc files. All the configuration files will be stored in etc. And this bin directory, we are going to be start our Nexus. CD Nexus. Sorry, CD bin. It is specific. You can see this is the Nexus file, guys. And another one is this RC file, and all your Java dependencies will be stored here only. Okay, Java dependencies will be stored here only. Take here first PWD. Before that, I will create a one user, guys. Before that, I will create a one user. How to create a user? User add. It is a Linux, guys. But sorry, Ubuntu, we are going to use as a add user. Okay, see here. I'm going to use as a Nexus user. Okay, it is added. Okay, it is added. How to see users? Cat space /etc/PASSWD. See here, Nexus user has been added. We have EC2 user is a default user, and root will be available as top root user. Okay, we have to see users like that. Okay, so I already created. So I need to give some permissions to that user. Sudo. Sudo. In this file, I don't need any password to create for that particular user, guys. Going to be insert mode, came out. Last, you can go to last. Okay, nexus is user. Okay, before that, I already created here. I already have a nexus, no password. Okay, no password. Given as a no password, guys. Because I didn't create any password for him. Okay. So escape, shift colon, WQ for save this file. Okay. Now I already created. So I want to start this nexus. So go to nexus file. Okay. CD bin. See here, there is a nexus and nexus.rc. So I already added a one user here. That user I'm going to be added this nexus.rc. How I'm going to be add, you can see. See insert mode. Okay, first I enter into the command line mode. Then I'm going to be insert mode. See, I'm going to be remove this hash. I'm going to add that user. Run as a user nexus now. Okay. Nexus. I want to save this file. Escape. Shift colon WQ. See now I already added. See now I'm good. See now this configuration file has been changed. Okay. So I want to save that one. I'm going to be link. Okay. Link. I'm going to be create soft link here. If direct link means I already told you in while discussing in Linux, guys, how to create soft link and hard link. Okay. /opt nexus /bin and this nexus file. This nexus file I want to copy in configuration file. Configuration files where it is stored /etc, guys. init.d. Okay. Configuration installation files, and I want to see. I already given this path also. You can also add. Okay, there is no issue. See here, I already given /etc init.nexus. Okay. See here. See now I added. I came out. See now I want to check. See now I added as a nexus user, but here it is running as a this nexus as a root user. Okay, so I want to change the ownership. How to change? CHOWN O hyphen R nexus, guys, and Sona type. See inside this Sona type only we are having all the files also, guys. Administration, users and password. I will show you. See, there is a nexus 3. See here, all the log files will be here only. If you get any issues, you can go and check all the Sona type. Sona type means it is a Sona type nexus only. Sona type is a company name. Okay. All the log files, temporary files will be stored here. If you get any issue in Nexus, you're going to be checked in these logs only. Okay. No. Now I want to change this ownership. If you can see here, still I didn't change the ownership. CH1 -R means recursively. Okay, recursively In directories, subdirectories also, it is going to be automatically changed, guys. Okay. I want to change this user level and group level. Nexus colon nexus, guys. I want to change this ownership for this nexus directory and this Sona type directory also. See now, it is automatically changed. Nexus, 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 nexus. Okay. Like this, you have to change the ownership. Now I want to switch the user. Nexus user. Okay. See here, it is does not asking any password because I did not provide any password for him. Okay. I didn't create. Now I want to start my nexus. Okay. See, I'm giving as some privileges sudo because this guy is a does not as a root user. Okay, that's what I'm giving as a front sudo guy. I want to enable this one. Okay, this nexus. See here. This executed. Okay, on. See, it is executed and on also. Nexus on. Now I want to start this. This started. Now I want to check the status. See, active, exited, this generated also. Okay. Now I would like to take this one, Nexus, which is running. Okay. I would like to take this public IP, guys. Public IP. What is the default port number? Default port number is 8081. So I'm going to be check. Close this one. 2 colon 8081, guys. See, Nexus, Sona type Nexus. It is coming as a Sona type Nexus, guys. Sona type Nexus. See, now I want to log in, guys. See here. Now I'm going to copy this one. What is the username? Admin. Okay. You can see, you can type here admin. I'm copying this one. Enter this Sona type work and this Nexus admin password. It is available in this path only. Same similar like that in Jenkins. I'm going to be cat. Okay. Cat space. Paste here. See. Password is here. I'm going to be copy this password. Going to be sign in. Never. See, it is asking to set up. Okay. Going to be create new password. Admin 123, guys. I'm given as admin 123. Admin 123. Next, I'm going to enable is a anonymous user. Okay, anonymous user. Okay, it's a configuration anonymous user to access. Okay, if you can read this one, you can need to know. Okay, by user as a anonymous user, that by user default. Okay, users can search and browse and download. Okay, users can search and download and browse your artifacts, guys. Okay, that's what you are giving as a enable anonymous user access. Okay, see this one. If you can disable, what it will be happen should be choose with the case care. Okay, it will be required the credential for all users. Okay, then it will be asked the all users for credentials, guys. Okay, so I'm going to be next. Finish. I'm going to finish this. See here. Search. If you want to upload. Okay. If you want to upload, you can upload also directly, or else you have to browse here. You can search anything if you want. if nothing is there, because it is a just now I started. That's what it is. Nothing it is showing. So I'm going to be show this browser. If you can see here, it is a Maven, it is already there. Okay, Maven releases Maven hosted like this. Okay, so now I want to create a repository. Yes, go to the settings. Go to the settings. If you can see here, there is a repositories are there. Repositories are there. Okay, I want to create a repositories, two repositories. See here, I'm going to be click this repositories. It's automatically creating. See here, I'm going to use as a Maven, guys. Maven. Okay, Maven hosted only. I did it right. So Maven hosted, I selected. Here is sample I'm giving here. Okay, sample hyphen release. Sample hyphen release. See here, it is came as a sample hyphen release. Here, if you can go snapshot. Here, if you can go mixed also, it is coming. I don't want to mix it. I have a release only. So I selected release only. Okay. See here coming down. Here, create a repository. Create repository. Going to be created. See, now I want to see the repositories. Repositories. Go to this browser. Close. See here, sample hyphen release, which is I created, guys, which is I created. Okay. See, in this inside, there is a nothing artifacts are stored here. Okay. So now I want to store my release version artifacts in this nexus. Okay. In this nexus repository. Okay. So inside nexus repository, I created as a one repository, a sample hyphen release. So welcome to this one. Close. This is my repository, is nothing here. See, now I want to create. See, now I created this one. Okay. Before that, I'm going to be this Jenkins server. So now I want to create a small pipeline, right? Take this a weapon. Git. First stage is mine is Git. Okay, first stage is Git, guys. I'm going to take it as a pipeline syntax help. Going to be taking as a Git, guys. So I have to give the URL. Okay, go to see here code. There is a your URL is there. Okay, so going to be done here. It is a public repository and branch is master only. Okay. So I copy this one. This is my first stage. This is my first stage. Okay. So second stage is Maven. Yes. Second stage is Maven. Okay. I'm going to be copy this one. Maven build. Okay. Maven build. See, I already told you, if any commands need to be executed here, it will be start with as a shell. Okay. Maven commands always starts with MVN, guys. MVN clean tag.
చేస్తాండి చేసి ఏమడగాలి
Guys, please be mute yourself. Please mute. Ramlata garu, please mute.
సారీ
Yeah. See, here I written as a Maven. Another one is, see, I want to add it here as a tools also, guys, because I install inside tools, right? Inside tools, I install Maven, right? Maven. Okay. Now what is last one? Nexus, guys. What is the stage 3? Nexus. Artifactory uploader. Okay. I'm going to provide here as only Nexus. Artifactory upload. You can write artifact upload also here. There is no issue. Okay. See, after installation of this thing, okay. Take this pipeline syntax. Here it is coming as a Nexus, guys. Nexus Artifactory uploader. If you can see here, Nexus Artifactory uploader. See here, Nexus, whenever I click this one, Nexus artifact uploader is automatically came, right? See here, what is my Nexus version? 3 only, right? See, this is the HTTP is the protocol. I didn't use any security, HTTP, HTTPS, okay? I'm going to use taking this HTTP. I want to copy my Nexus URL. Where is my Nexus URL? This is my Nexus URL. See, I'm going to be remove all these things. 8081. HTTP I already taken above. Okay, so you can see here. See, now I want to add the credentials. Guys. Now I want to add the credentials. See, I already created credentials for Nexus, right? I'm going to be add this one. Username and password. Going to be here. Sorry, I given as a admin, right? Admin. Password admin123. Going to be added. See here, admin. See group ID. Where it will become this group ID? Go to your pom.xml file. Go to your pom.xml file. See here, group ID in your pom.xml file. So I'm going to copy this pom.xml. What is the version? If you can see, 8.2.2. We copy this one. Going to be 8.2.2. See, I created a one repository. Where I created a one repository? In Nexus, guys. In Nexus. Go to Nexus. Sample hyphen release. Give sample hyphen. Add your artifacts. Okay, artifact ID. Go to your pom.xml file. Artifact ID is nothing but future ID, guys. I already told you all these things in while telling in right? See, my artifact ID is my web. Here it is written. Okay, my web, guys. My web. How my packages will become? Like type is var file, I'm going to be type. Or else it will be jar file. Or else it is a year file. Okay, enterprise archive file. I already told you, okay, Java archive like that. Okay, class file it is a optional, guys. Class file it is a optional. See, after build, our builds will become under target only, guys. The target my web hyphen 8.2.0 dot var. It will become like this only. Okay, it will become like this only. Okay, after build, I will show you. Okay. Before that, see now I want to integrate this Nexus in Jenkins, guys. I want to integrate Nexus in Jenkins. This is for I written as a pipeline here only, guys, which is I showed here only pipeline. Okay, I didn't integrate Nexus. I just only enter artifacts. Okay, artifact uploader plugin only. Now I want to integrate means go to Jenkins. Okay, go to Jenkins terminal. Okay, cd slash. What is the default directory? Parley Jenkins, guys. Parley Jenkins. Okay. First, I will go and run this. First time only, I will like to go and run this first job, guys. Up to Maven only, I will run. Up to I run Maven only, apply and save. See here, build now. Maybe because of plugin upload. No problem. I'm going to be build again. No issue. I did not add any token. Okay. It is asking you can add token like that. See, no issue. See here. 2 times I given, 2 times it is built, guys. Okay. 2 times it is built. Okay. Okay, now I want to see the jobs here. See, here is a tools is there. CD tools. Now I am going to be integrate inside tools. Okay, LL. You can see it's an task Maven. Okay. Now I want to integrate this nexus into this Maven only. See how I'm going to integrate. CD set. CD Maven 3. See here, if you can see here, configuration file, CD conf. There is a setting.xml file is there. Setting.xml file is there. Behind inside this file only, I'm going to be enter our nexus, guys. Our nexus. Okay. See how I'm going to be enter. See, inside there is a servers is there. Okay, I'm going to be enter inside this servers. Insert mode. Yes, I already written here, guys. Same thing only I will go on copy paste here. Or else you can take there also, no issue. See, these are servers, nexus repo. I given nexus repo. Admin 123. Okay, admin 123. I'm giving. See, same thing only here. Deployment repo. Okay, deployment repo. I given as a nexus repo. Okay, here if you can see username admin, password is admin 123. See here, same thing only I written. Okay. See, where should I take? Don't confuse like that. Okay. I took it as a upside one only. Now I'm going to do alignment, guys. Here, because it is getting as a time waste, that's what I copy and paste, guys. Okay. See here, same thing only I took it. Okay, if you can see ID nexus repo I written, username admin 123, password also. Okay. Now I want to save this file, escape shift:wq. File has been saved and integrated also. So now you are going to be add this URL inside pom.xml file also. How we are going to be add? I'm going to be show you. See, this is the pom.xml file. You can edit this pom.xml file. Under distribution management, you are going to be add because I want to upload my Nexus artifactory in this sample-release repository only. Okay, sample-release repository only. See here under distribution management, I'm going to be add, guys. I'm going to be add. So we're taking browser. See here sample-release. You can click this one. You'll get a copy. So copy this URL. Go to your pom.xml file, guys. See here also ID also Nexus repo only. Or else you can change, guys, which is your given here. Same thing only you have to provide there also. Okay. I copied successfully. Same I'm going to copy here also. But I didn't create any snapshot, guys. Please remember. Okay. I created only release only. but I am written here. Later I will show you how to create this snapshot also. But you have to create like this. Okay, you have to create like this. You have to add that repository in your pom.xml file also. How many repositories you are going to be add? Same similar like that, and under distribution management, you should be add like this repository column. Okay, if you can see repository, ID and URL. You should be give like this. Now I'm going to be commit changes, guys. Now I'm going to do commit changes. Commit changes, update pom.xml file. Now I updated, guys. Go to the Jenkins. Go to the Jenkins. So I came to Jenkins. I want to add that URL also, right? I want to add nexus stage also. Go to pipeline. Want to add this nexus also. Copy this one. I'm going to give here nexus case. Nexus or else artifact uploader also you can write it here. Okay. See steps. I took it as a help from pipeline syntax. Okay, pipeline syntax. So this pipeline syntax we already added each and everything, guys. Each and everything. So see here under target how it will become. Show you. This nexus. Go to console output. You can see how your build is came under target. It is loading, guys. Okay. See here under my target it is coming as a like this. Okay. Same thing only I copied and pasted it in this pipeline syntax also. Okay. Same thing only. See generator. I'm going to be generated. Okay. Same thing you're going to be copy and paste, guys. Going to be copy and paste. Copy and paste in your pipeline, guys. In your pipeline. Okay. That's it. The mining, everything is good. Okay. So apply and save. I'm going to be building this. See here. If now I'm going to be see in this nexus space. Okay. See here. My group ID. Okay. My artifact, my version ID it is came. All are it is came. You can see like this way you are going to be upload your artifacts into the nexus repository. Okay. So here there is a repositories sample icon. Browse. See here. If you want to delete this one, you can click here. See, if you want to delete the entire folder, you can delete also. Okay. If you want to delete this entire folder, you can delete also. Like this way, you have to be upload your artifacts into your nexus repository, guys. Your nexus repository. Okay. Any doubts, guys, up to now? Hello. Do you have any doubts? All right. No problem. So you have to upload artifacts into your nexus repository like this way. Okay. See, I'm going to give you one task. This is the project. See, I already told you everything in individually, guys. Individually, I already created and added in this Jenkins. Okay. In the Jenkins, I added SonarCube and Nexus, this Tomcat and Maven and GitHub. Okay. Now you have to take at a time, you have to do guys. At a time, you have to do all the pipelines. I will provide these pipeline script also to you. You just do it. Okay. You already have all the videos, guys. You already have all the videos also. Just follow those videos and I can share the document also to you. Okay. If you have any doubts, please ask me. No doubts. Okay. Thank you guys. I'm going to be share these documents to you. Okay. Don't worry. I already shared. Okay. These pipelines also I will share you. Okay. This entire pipeline, it will become like this. Okay. These are nexus pipeline. This is the sonar keyboard. This is master and slave. See, this is the deployment of your Tomcat. Okay. I already done everything, but all together you have to do it, guys. That is your task only. Okay. Please do it the task. If you get any errors, please let me know. Okay. I will share all these documents to you. Don't worry. Thank you, guys.